Hey guys, I am back today. It is quarantine life and I'm missing the spa. I am missing my hairdresser. I'm missing feeling good about my appearance. I decided to dye my roots today. I am using the Clairol Root Touch-up for dark brown hair. As you can see, and maybe you can or can't, I get grays right along my part. I'm also starting to see them along the sides here and here. I have long hair, so the top of it typically covers all of the gray underneath, so that's not a problem. It's just this part. I've always got a hard part, I always have. It's just who I am, so I have been using some of the powders and so forth to cover up the gray, but you know, you just want to feel good and have your hair permanently dyed. So I've used this several times. In fact, I used it about 5 or 6 weeks ago and it worked really well. Again, it's the Clairol Root Touch-up, and for me, I use the dark brown. It says it takes 10 minutes. It does take a little longer, but while I'm doing that, and since I looked awful from being outside in the humidity, I thought that I would do a pink milk mask. This is just something I received in my Ipsy box, and if you don't know what Ipsy is, it is a subscription box. Comes once a month. I love this. It says to you from you, which is true because you pay for it, but it's like a gift each month. It's right around $20 a month, and you get some high-end full size, because I think that is called the Ipsy Glam Box subscription. I think I'll save it for another video, but it's awesome. I have not, other than a few core items that I really enjoy, I have not gone out and purchased makeup or cosmetics really at all. I use all of that stuff. You get awesome eyeshadow palettes and bronzing palettes, highlighter, things that I would never spend time in Ulta looking for, choosing, and I really wouldn't even know where to begin with all of that. So this is chosen for you, but again, that's for a different video. Today we're dyeing my hair. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is brush out your hair, because you want to make sure that it's all loosened up and everything that needs to be colored will be. Isn't this great? This mask is great because I was outside in the humidity. I walked 4 miles already today and I look awful, so I'd rather look crazy than awful. You just say, oh, that girl's nuts, look at that mask. Yep. Yes, I am. I am nuts. I'm going nuts is more like it. Stuck in the bored in the house, and I'm in the house bored, as the song goes. So there's my part, and I really hope that you can see all of the gray. So to take this, it's super simple. Let's get all this stuff out. Have you see it? This is an old towel. That's my advice as well. I have a dark shirt on, just some workout pants that I don't much care about, in case we get some splashes. Got an old towel down on the floor, and this towel is to cover my top of my sink here. As you can see, I bought everything at Target. You can see my tag there. I did a curbside pickup. I did not have to go into the store, which is the goal during all of this. We're in New York State, and the numbers, although going down, have been pretty high, and if I don't have to, I don't go inside anywhere. Okay, so I just threw the instructions out because I've used this so many times. Even when the salons are open, it does give me an extra 2 to 3 weeks, so I've used it before. Okay, so all I need to do is put my gloves on, and what you get in the box is a little dish. The color, this is the color, it has the number 1 on it. And then this is number 2, and this is the activating lotion that they call it, which I guess in real world is called a developer. But you put them in your little dish, doesn't matter what the order is, empty the whole thing in there, especially right now. My hair is gray everywhere, so I'm going to get as much visible coverage as possible. Dump that in there. I always put all my stuff back in the box. I don't want them getting anywhere. Break open your tube. You have to use the underside. There it is. And squirt that whole thing. There's your color right there. Into your little, I hope you can see, into your little dish here. As much as you possibly can. I pretty much drained the thing. Then you're given this little brush. I'm still here. And you mix. And don't go wild, because if you don't mix it properly, it's going to fly all over your towel, and you want to keep as much product as possible. So even though I'm mixing, I will still have you look at me because it mixes fairly quickly. My husband is working from home today, as was I, and we are in the market for a pool for the backyard since we can't go on vacations. Well, I suppose some areas are opening up, but we're not comfortable going on any. We normally take the girls on two and ourselves on a private one, and we're going to forego that this year for safety reasons with the pandemic, and we figured we would set up a little backyard staycation with a nice above ground pool. Okay, so I want you to see the consistency really quickly. I have mixed everything up, and now it's one uniform light brown color. And now I want you to see me apply it. Hopefully that's possible. Gosh, I feel like I might be tall. Okay, so I'm gonna look in the mirror. I think I'll do it right here. Hopefully that's a really good spot for you to see. And I'm just brushing along thickly. I'm lathering it on, not too much because you don't want to waste product, but right along that part I'm applying the coverage, the color. See that? I'm going along each side, and I always start in my middle part. For me, that's where I part my hair. This is where I'm going to see the most gray, and this is where I want the most coverage. So just going right along there. Don't worry if it gets a little further down. Just let it sit. And now, I think if you've watched my cooking video before, you see that I'm not one to follow directions. As far as the recipe, well, I'm kind of the same way with this stuff, only because I've done it so many times to know that I need to leave it on longer. Gray hair can be what's called resistant and just not pick up that color, especially I have thick, coarse hair to begin with, and then on top of it, the grays are thicker and even more coarse and wiry, if you can imagine. Okay, so I think my part is nice and thick. I even get like the colicky areas, like back here. And then on the other side of the brush is this point, which I love. So I use that and just section out everything surrounding. So now you see there's more gray. If I were to part my hair a little bit over, and you want to cover that. And I am just going to continue doing that. Continue to section off, part, and apply. Not going to go too far over, so now I'm going to go back to the middle where I started and go onto the other side. This is just a root touch-up, remember. It's not a full dye underneath the entire head. If that were the case, I would need more product than this little tiny dish. As you can see, I have a ton of hair, but to go all the way underneath my entire head would require much more product. I'm just doing the upper half where all my parts are and getting all those little grays out of there. Making sure to coat the strands the best I could. Okay, and then from there, let's see. I want to go a little further if I could. I'm just eyeballing my product and making sure I don't run out before I get the temples, which is another spot with a giveaway when your roots start to come in. Okay, so I think I'm done there. Now, right here, I feel like right in through there, you can see the strands. So that I'm going to use the last bit of product. Let me show you how much I have left. That much left. Just about enough to coat these temples. These are the spots that expose my gray hair, if you will. Anyone hear my toilet running? I haven't flushed it. It's an odd thing I'll have to investigate. Toilet is only a year old, so hopefully it's not malfunctioning. I really don't want to have to call a plumber, but my husband's good at stuff like that. Why are men good at fixing toilets? Because they're usually the ones that break them. Or what I'd like to say is destroy them without being gross, but really, you know it's true. Okay, and I could have applied some Vaseline to the perimeter of my hairline, but this stuff is not as strong as when you go to the salon, so you're not gonna get, you know, I've left the salon, unfortunately, with some pretty dark lines. It took a couple washings to come off of my skin. My skin must have been dry or something. It absorbed it immediately. So just doing the temple and making sure to saturate the parts that have the gray. It does not want to cover sometimes. Especially with, you know, my hairdresser and several hairdressers, I'm sure we've all heard most of our hairdressers say, don't use box color. And, you know, it's not professional strength. I think that's part of the problem. But I'm just gonna use up the very last of this stuff anywhere I can that's exposed. Sure, that's all good. Wow, you know, when I normally do this for just like an in-betweener to buy me a little time before I see my hairdresser, never do I finish the product. But this is more than buying myself a little time. I am past due. I actually was fortunate right before our quarantine, which started roughly around March 14th. I actually had a root touch-up or color appointment, I want to say March 10th. So that's the last time I've had my hair professionally done, March 10th. And we are now at, is it May 26th? So that is 10 weeks. 10 weeks of not having my gray. Now, I don't have a ton of gray. If I had to give you a percentage, what would I say? 30%? 40%? Maybe somewhere in there. So I'm not too bad, but enough where I don't like it. All right, so as you can see, I used all of the product. Now, if you go through the directions, it says to wait. It even says lasts 3 weeks. It's permanent, it lasts 3 weeks. See if you can get 4 out of it, and have to see. But anyway, it says to wait 10 minutes. My clock over there, which you cannot see from here, says that it's 3:30. I'm not coming back in here to wash my hair until 4 o'clock. So pay no attention to the 10 minutes. I keep it on 25 to 30 minutes. That's what works for me. Again, I have very coarse, very thick hair, not easily damaged. So that might be all the difference. So when you see me again, I'm going to be showered and made up and show you my results. But yeah, Root Touch-up by Clairol. So easy to use. results. You can get it curbside at Target. You don't have to go into a store. You don't have to have a beautician's license. I think I just aged myself with that beautician. But anyway, and if you like my mask, it's pink milk mask made by Duft and Doft in Korea. So good luck. Or check out Ipsy.com. I think they do sell the products that they have sent out to customers. All right, so that's all for now, and I'll be back. Okay, it is about an hour since you've seen me. Let me tack on another. It's about 2 hours. I did wait the 25 to 30 minutes for the dye to set in. Remember, I used this Clairol Root Touch-up in my color, which is the dark brown. Matches, it's number 4, matches dark brown shades. I applied it, I let it sit, I hopped into the shower, and I'm all done. So I'm gonna give you a close-up since we did that before. Hopefully you can see. This is my, whoa, this is my bad tripod, that's what that is. This is my part where you saw all the gray spritzed around through here. It is all gone. You can see that my temples are black again. Nothing to show. Same for there, nice and dark. So overall, I'm really happy with it. As I said, this is not my first time using it. So nice and safe. Go online, and if you haven't already, download the Target app. I never did until this quarantine. I was not a big Target person, but I've been loving them just because it's so convenient. You put it in, they tell you when it's ready, you tell them when you're leaving your house, what color your car is, they come running out. It is so fast, so convenient, so easy. So I will put it in a link in the description box below for this, and I hope you get to use it. I hope it keeps you safe at home. The longer I can wait until I have to step into a salon, which by the way, I believe our salons are opening up in about a week and a half. They are part of phase 2. We're in Western New York and phase 2 begins next week. I'm just not ready. I'm gonna sit back, do as much at home as I can without exposing myself, and see what works for me and what doesn't. So far I'm happy with my hair. And by the way, I just touched up my self-tan for the first time since Thursday. So it's been almost a week, about 6 days. And today I did a quick exfoliation right when I was in the shower, rinsing this out, and reapplied and put this sundress on just so that my legs get a chance to dry. But my tan's been great, my self-tan, and I'm very pleased with the results of my hair. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know what content you would like to see. I can do more scenes from the kitchen, more beauty tips, things that work for me anyway. Life with 2 daughters. Both my daughters have food allergies. Are you interested in hearing what life is like with those? It's not fun. So maybe we can think of another topic. But yeah, I'm just admiring my hair. I've had gray for quite a few days, or maybe in about 2 weeks now, and it's always nice to look in the mirror and see that it's gone. I washed that gray right out of my hair. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and don't forget the description box will have all the products I used today. I hope you're enjoying your family more in the quarantine. I certainly am. And I'll give you all a big hug virtually, a couple elbow bumps. Bye, guys.